Hello, my name is Jason Roth. I'm an attorney with the law firm of Roth, Davies in Overland Park, Kansas. Today, I'd like to discuss the inspection and maintenance requirements pursuant to the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations regarding commercial motor vehicles. Vehicle inspection and maintenance programs are vital to commercial motor vehicle safety. Employers whose inspection and maintenance programs are lacking will experience more accidents, more roadside violations, and more vehicles being placed out of operation. The vehicle inspection and maintenance requirements found in the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations apply to all commercial motor vehicles and the employers and employees operating them. A commercial motor vehicle is defined as any self-propelled or towed motor vehicle using a public roadway in interstate commerce to transport passengers or property when the vehicle has a weight rating of 10,001 pounds or more, designed to transport 9 or more passengers for compensation, or 16 or more passengers not for compensation. According to the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, all carriers and intermodal equipment providers engaged in interstate and foreign commerce, including officers, drivers, agents, representatives, and employers directly concerned with commercial motor vehicle inspection and maintenance, are subject to the vehicle inspection and maintenance requirements and must be knowledgeable of and comply with the rules. If you have any questions regarding the inspection and maintenance regulations pursuant to the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, please feel free to call 913-451-9500. Thank you.